Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, SJ Lopez Designs. Here on my channel, I just like to share free crochet patterns with you. I like to talk about crochet. I shared some crochet hacks with you a while back. On my last video, I shared my pumpkin granny square tutorial with you. Today, I'm going to show just a little bit of the finished product, at least with the stem part added to our pumpkin here. It's really short and easy, and let's just go ahead and jump into that. In my previous video, we got our granny square pumpkin crocheted with that orange pumpkin there in the center, and we got it all squared up here. And then we got the end there. I have to get that weaved in, and we can do that now, especially here in the back if we didn't crochet over our tails. I still have to go ahead and get this blocked. I'm going to show you how to get that stem going here on our pumpkin. It's a really easy process to do, so let's just go ahead and get into it. I'm using a sequoia or just a brown in that heartland yarn. I'm using a 3.5 millimeter crochet hook, and you're going to go ahead and just do a chain of 6. Very, very simple. We just get all of those chained, and I use a smaller crochet hook just because it makes the pumpkin a little bit 3D and it sticks off of it, and I didn't want that to be too bulky. So once you get the 6 chain done, go ahead and leave a little bit of a tail. You want that on both sides just because we're going to be tying this on there. And then just pull the yarn through and then tighten it up. Make sure it's secure. This is what it's going to look like. Very, very simple. So to attach the stem, you're going to decide where you want it to be located at. I'm putting mine in the corner because I want it more of like a diagonal whenever I make my pag. If you want yours in the center at the top and have it square, that's perfectly fine. I'm using that 3.5 millimeter crochet hook, and then I'm just pulling the yarn through, and then I'm just going to go into the next stitch beside that one, and I'm going to pull that other tail through to get it lined up how I want it. I think that's a good spot. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to tie this in the back to get it secure. And I'm going to go ahead and add a knot to the back just because I'm going to be cutting it. I want to make sure it's not unraveling. I think it looks good. It's just how I want it. So I'm going to cut this just there at the very bottom. Again, make sure it's really secure so it doesn't unravel. If you want to, you can drop a little bit of a glue on the back there just to make sure that it's extra secure. And here it is, that finished product. It really is that easy, guys. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed both tutorials on this granny square pumpkin. When I come back again, I'm going to share how I put my little fall granny square pumpkin bag together. I'm really excited. I'm still working on all of my squares. I'm going to block them, and then I'll get them all ready, and then I'll have that for you in one of my upcoming videos. Just make sure you hit that subscribe button, like the video if you're following along, and I'll see you next time. Thanks, bye.